The schools are breaking up for the summer, plus I've just had a text from my water company saying there's a hosepipe ban. So of course the weather's all turning far more unsettled. In fact, on Saturday, we're looking at some severe thunderstorms. They'll be running their way northwards from France, mostly affecting central and eastern parts of England and Scotland. Then this area of low pressure circulates over us for a good few days. But what about the longer range? What about August? Well, we'll be taking a look at the forecast for August at the end of this weather. But for now, don't forget to like and subscribe as we take a look at the weekend weather forecast. And the problems all start tonight. Thunderstorms will be making their way across the southeast corner. Some of them will be very heavy with some hail and lots of thunder and lightning as well. Temperature-wise, it certainly won't be cold. It'll feel very humid with a low temperature tonight for some of us of around 18 or 19. Now, these thunderstorms will start on Saturday morning in the southeast, but gradually they'll spread their way northwards, mostly along eastern areas. Elsewhere, there'll be some clouds, some sunshine coming through as well, and always the risk of 1 or 2 showers here and there. But this is the main area of thunderstorms. They'll be pushing their way northwards up into the northeastern parts of England during the late afternoon and evening time. And behind it will dry up for a time, but as the temperatures rise, there could be some isolated thunderstorms breaking out here as well. For the southwest, more heavy downpours here as a front makes its way in. So for the southwest of Ireland and into Cornwall, rather wet by evening. That system's a bit more fragmented by Sunday, but still giving 1 or 2 pockets of very heavy downpours. And for some of us in Cornwall and South Devon, there's also the risk that we could see some very heavy downpours. So keep an eye on the forecast if you're here on Sunday. Further north, also for the eastern parts of Scotland, very heavy showers here, but almost wherever you are, you can expect to see a heavy thundery downpour at some point during the day on Sunday. Then as we head into Monday, don't pay too much attention into exactly where the showers are. That may well change, but we are expecting things generally to be rather unsettled on Monday. And then as we head through Tuesday and Wednesday, the idea is this all works its way eastwards and things start to dry up from the west. So that's what the weather's doing as we head into next week. But what about longer term for August? Those of us with kids, are we expecting a washout or more in the way of sunshine? And actually for August at the moment, there are early signs that we could be mostly dominated by an area of high pressure. And that would mean more in the way of sunshine, but unfortunately for the farmers, less in the way of rain. But for those of us with kids, let's look on the bright side. At the moment, although this could change, at the moment, it looks like August could be one for the beach.